Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee bodily scars compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury causing bodily scars. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been involved in an accident, there's a chance that the injuries that you've sustained in the accident could leave a scar. And if so, as long as the accident was down to the negligence of others, then you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in bodily scars? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in bodily scars, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims, no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with bodily scars, no-win, no-fee compensation claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Whether you'd like to know how much compensation you get per stitch, or how much is a scar worth when claiming, we'll be happy to do all we can to assist you. Something to bear in mind is that the figures that we'll shortly be going over represent only a fraction of how much you may receive, as the amounts in the table that we're about to show you are solely the award levels for the injury itself, and they don't include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses that you may have incurred because of the accident. And if you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our scarring compensation calculator to help you establish the total value of your scar claim. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your bodily scars compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, this means that there won't be any upfront fees, but most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at the table for bodily scars injury compensation amounts. So in front of us we have the table for bodily scars compensation claim amounts, and a large proportion of awards for a number of noticeable laceration scars or a single disfiguring scar of either the legs or arms or hands or back or chest fall into the bracket of anything between £6,240 right the way up to £18,120. In cases where an exploratory laparotomy has been performed but no significant internal injury has been found, the award reflects the operation and the inevitable scar, and you could expect to receive something in the region of £6,890. A noticeable scar or several superficial scars of the legs or arms or hands with some minor cosmetic deficit, you could expect to receive anything between £1,890 right the way up to £6,240. And then finally, the effects of burns will normally be regarded as more serious, since they tend to cause a greater degree of pain and may lead to continuing physical or psychological injury. Serious burn injuries will attract very significant awards. Where significant burns cover 40% or more of the body, awards are likely to exceed £83,550. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.